Today we're going to load some Teslas. Got my truck, we got patches. Got a new driver today, enjoying patches and the music. How you doing?
Hey, what's up?
You liking the music?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, we're going to Tracy today. We're going to Tracy to load. Like I said, we're picking up Teslas. And we just filled up the trucks. I got my truck all filled up. Woo, it's so bright. So yeah, he's gonna be working on the high rail, which is hella easy for me. For him, it's gonna be not so easy, I guess. But he'll get over it. He'll get used to it. All right. So yeah, his name is James. He goes by James Bond, and his truck is 707. So we're gonna switch up the letters to 007, so he can like sit better. I showed him everything this morning, how it works and operates. And we'll see how long it's gonna take to load the 9 Teslas from Odessa. Today we are at Flying J in Lodi, and the price is like, it's crazy cheap. It's like $5.50 a gallon, and that's insane for California. That's way cheap. So we had to grab the cheap fuel while we got a chance, because later they might change it to like $7 a gallon again. Good morning, guys. I know it's windy. We just went for a little hike with my buddy, Mr. Sky. Hey, come say hi, Sky. He's too busy sniffing all the new smells and stuff. Woody, hey, come say hi. Sky, don't be shy. What's up, buddy? Where are you? Where are you? Sit down. Hey. Don't embarrass me on the camera now. Sit down. Sit. Shh. Sit. Sky, sit. Sky, sit. He never listens. Never listens when he's out. It's a different story when he's home, though. Hey, look at me. Shh. Look at me. Sky, sit down. Wow. Sit. 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 Sky, sit. Are you really? Sit. You kidding me, right? You kidding me? Hello? I'm here. You see me? Sit down. Wow. Sky, sit. 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 Wow. Why are you doing this to me, Sky? Oh. Hey, look at me. Look at me. Mi pa. No, he's not gonna do anything. Mi pa. Mi pa. Mi pa. Give me pa. Wow. Get a Husky, they say. They're very smart. But at the same time, they don't give a damn about you and your commands. Yeah, when he's in a new place, he does whatever he wants. He's not listening, nothing. That's me over there. If you can see, Teslas on board. I got 9 Teslas and a 1 Equinox. Because I said, screw it. I am not hauling 9 Teslas. I'm gonna need 10 cars. So we got loaded on Friday. It took us all day because I had to train a new guy. I know the wind, guys. So let's just enjoy the video. Good morning, buddy. Give me a pa. What the heck? Why are you so sad? Give me a pa. Do you wanna go? You gotta go driving, buddy. You gotta go drive. I gotta go today, like I said, driving Wyoming today. We're gonna make it all the way to Nebraska, hopefully. And tomorrow we got a delivery to make. 1,376 miles, that's to St. Louis. But I forgot to say that I have a drop in Kansas City, which is 300 miles from St. Louis. So I got 1,076 miles to Kansas City. And I hope I can make it there tomorrow by noon to drop off that Equinox. And then make it over to Hertz to drop off the Teslas. Look. Where are you going? What's that? You okay? You gonna go to bed? Oh yeah, go to bed. Go. 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 Go to bed. I allow you to go to bed. Go on. Go. Of course you wanna be in the bed. Never mind. That's my breakfast. Some avocado. You already had your breakfast. Yeah. What did you see? Nothing? Okay. Well, I'm gonna eat some avocado for breakfast. It's pretty good. And avocado water. That's it. Next thing is gonna be lunch. Lunch in Wyoming somewhere. Oh, I know where. I'll show you. Let's go trucking, guys. Shake your butt. Good boy. It's getting hot. Come on, get inside. Get inside. Time for us to go. Time to go. You like it? Huh? What happened? Hey, are you gonna drive now or what? You don't know? Me neither. What's up, boss? That's how I loaded the 9 Teslas, like that. I just put the Equinox in the back. Snapped it on. Picked it up from the same auction in Tracy. I'm gonna drop it off tomorrow in Kansas City. Yeah, I just stopped in Sabros in Sydney, Nebraska right now to just get some fuel. This is the cheapest one here in the area. And I'm gonna head out to try to make it to York, Nebraska tonight. Because from York, Nebraska, it's only like 6 hours. 6 hours to Kansas City, where this thing is coming off. So yeah, with the Tesla, when you put it like that, you always have to drag it out, right? You gotta extend it without you being inside the car. So what you had to do is basically, I explained before, you just drive it onto like up there. You put the seat belt, roll down the window, strap both front wheels, both sides, then go back in the car. I use my tie down bar. I just press the brake and I just flip it to neutral, and then I come out again and I drag it out all the way that I need to. I basically put the tires right here, right where my tie down is. Then I get back inside the car, I put it in park, roll up the windows, come around, shut the back wheel, set it down, leave adequate spacing right here. Got about 4 hours to York, Nebraska, so I'll be rolling at night. Move your butt. Let's go. All right. See ya in Kansas City or something like that. We out here, Kansas City. Ooh, I dropped off my Equinox. I did the 9 cars just to reload a little bit. Now James is gonna drop the Kia Forte. And I told him to pull here, he pulled here. Man, they don't listen. James, if you're watching this, you don't listen. Alright. Now his job is to run Tesla. And look now, if you got any problems like that, let me show you what you can do. You see now you cannot pull out the skids. You can't pull them out because you got that dip.
Yeah.
You can just come up and raise the number 9. You can push it too. How's the clearance? How's the clearance?
Well, it's got a dip,
Yeah, it's got a dip.
so that needs to go back in.
Yeah, you can raise it more, open up the skids, and then you can push it down. Go up. No. Go up. Don't slide. Just go up. Keep going. All the way up.
Yeah, but it's gonna bend it.
It's not gonna bend. It's fine.
That right there.
They already bent. You still can open it. I'm at the back helm. I'm at the pilot now. What's up, buddy? Getting some cheap diesel. For some reason, it's $5.65 in California, which is hella cheap. I mean, for Cali, this is cheap. So yeah, here are the 49ers. We'll try to wash the truck too. There's only one truck in line. Hopefully I can still be the next one in line, because might, someone can pull in any time. And if they do, well, I won't be able to wash the truck. Sheesh. My buddy Michael Carjacker, he just pulled out of his parking spot. Must see if I can catch him rolling out of here. See what he does. There he is. See what he does. There he's gone. What's up, Mike? Well, this guy's gonna run me over now. Go fuel up the truck and get out of here.